Air pollution in India is a significant environmental and public health issue. The country faces high levels of air pollution due to a combination of factors, including industrial emissions, vehicular exhaust, agricultural activities, and the burning of solid fuels for cooking and heating. Here are some key points about air pollution in India. Particulate matter, PM, pollution. One of the major concerns is the high levels of particulate matter in the air, especially PM2.5, particles with a diameter of 2.5 micrometers or less, and PM10, particles with a diameter of 10 micrometers or less. These particles can penetrate deep into the respiratory system, leading to adverse health effects. Causes of air pollution. Industrial emissions from factories, power plants, and construction sites contribute to air pollution in India. Additionally, the rapid increase in vehicles, especially in urban areas, leads to high levels of vehicular emissions. Agricultural activities like crop burning and the use of chemical fertilizers also contribute to pollution. Regional variation. Air pollution levels vary across different regions in India. Cities like Delhi, Kanpur, and Kolkata often experience severe smog and high pollution levels. However, rural areas are also affected, particularly due to agricultural activities. Health impact. The high levels of air pollution have severe health consequences. Exposure to polluted air can lead to respiratory problems such as asthma, bronchitis, and lung cancer. It also contributes to cardiovascular diseases, allergies, and premature deaths. Children, the elderly, and individuals with pre-existing respiratory conditions are particularly vulnerable. Government initiatives. The Indian government has implemented various measures to address air pollution. These include the introduction of stricter emission norms for industries and vehicles, promoting cleaner fuels like compressed natural gas, CNG, and encouraging the adoption of renewable energy sources. Additionally, initiatives like the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana aim to provide clean cooking fuel to rural households. Challenges. Despite efforts to tackle air pollution, challenges persist. Rapid urbanization, inadequate waste management systems, inefficient enforcement of regulations, and limited public awareness are some of the challenges that hinder progress in combating air pollution. International collaborations. India has also engaged in international collaborations to address air pollution. For example, it has partnered with countries like the United States and Sweden for research and knowledge sharing, and it is part of global initiatives like the Climate and Clean Air Coalition. It is important to note that the information provided is based on the knowledge available up until September 2021, and there may have been further developments or changes in the situation since then. Please subscribe to Deep Thinking channel for more content. Like the video if you like and share if it is useful.